Hello students, let's continue chapter 16th of science of class 7th, that is water, a precious resource. Now we will discuss about distribution of water. The distribution of water over the globe is quite uneven due to a number of factors. Some places have good amount of rain and are water rich. On the other hand, there are deserts which have scanty rainfall. India is a vast country and the rainfall is not the same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rains while some others have very little rainfall. Excessive rains cause floods, whereas the absence of rains results in droughts. Therefore, some regions in our country may have floods while others may suffer from droughts at the same time. Students, given here the rainfall map of India, it gives the average annual rainfall in different regions of our country. So students, तुम इस मैप पर अपना लोकेशन देख सकते हो और ये देख सकते हो क्या तुम्हारे यहाँ पर सफिशेंट रेनफॉल होता है और जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं क्या वहाँ पर सफिशेंट वाटर है. It may be possible that we are living in an area where there is sufficient rainfall, yet there is shortage of water. और स्टूडेंट्स ये भी पॉसिबल है कि जिस एरिया में हम रहते हैं वहाँ पर रेनफॉल तो सफिशेंट है बट फिर भी वाटर की शॉर्टेज होती है. कैन वी एट्रीब्यूट दिस मिसमैनेजमेंट ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज? नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट वाटर मैनेजमेंट. Students, you have read in class 6 that in many places a regular supply of water is provided by a well-planned pipe system. When the civic authorized supply water through pipes, not all of it may reach the destination. You might have seen water supply pipes leaking and a lot of water gushing out of the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. स्टूडेंट्स, तुमने ये तो पढ़ा ही है कि एक वेल प्लान पाइप सिस्टम होता है जिसके थ्रू वाटर डेस्टिनेशन तक जाता है. बट कभी कभी तुमने देखा होगा कि पाइप्स लीक होते रहते हैं और बहुत सारा वाटर ऐसे ही वेस्ट हो जाता है. ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है सिविक अथॉरिटीज़ की कि वो कैसे इस वेस्टेज वाटर को सेव कर सकें. Mismanagement or wastage may take place at the level of individuals also. All of us knowingly or unknowingly waste water while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing and during many other activities. Leaking taps is another source of huge water wastage. We waste water as though we do not need water the next time. We have seen that most of water that we get as rainfall just flows away. This is a waste of precious natural resource. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. We have at many places in India an as-old practice of water shortage and water recharge like the Bawris. Bawri was the traditional way of collecting water. With the time, the Bawris fell into disuse and garbage started filling in these reservoirs. However, because of the acute water shortage, people in these areas have had to rethink. The Bawris are being revived. Today, the situation is that in spite of scanty rains, these places are managing their water needs well. So students, पुराने टाइम में रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए बावरीज बनाते थे जिससे कि वाटर रिचार्ज होता रहता था. बट धीरे धीरे उसका यूज़ कम हो गया और उसमें गार्बेज इकट्ठा होना शुरू हो गया. अब इस टाइम पर भी हमें फिर से रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में सोचना चाहिए कि हम कैसे रेन वाटर को सेव कर सकते हैं और उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अ फार्मर यूजिंग वाटर इन द फील्ड कैन ऑल्सो यूज वाटर इकोनॉमिकली. मे बी यू हैव heard of drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubing which deliver water directly at the base of the plant. So students, drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system. इस सिस्टम से वाटर डायरेक्ट प्लांट्स के रूट में जाता है जिससे कि वाटर सेव होता है. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Up till then, thank you.